Hi, I'm Peter from Project Heaven Restoration, and this is the final update of our beautiful Healey restoration. So, we're just about to load this car up on the trailer. I thought we'd better give a quick walk around video before we deliver it to the customer so I can show you all the fantastic we've done on this beautiful car. It's a complete and extensive restoration, so every part of it's been touched. We've done all the metalwork, all the paintwork, everything in-house. We've done the retrim, we've rewired it, it's had an engine rebuild, axles. We've done some upgrades as well, so it's got electronic power steering, and we've also got upgraded brake assist servo to help make the braking much easier for the owner. Let's have a look under the hood. Okay, so under here, everything's pretty much as it would have been originally. There's a few little modifications and upgrades. We've got a 123 distributor that's Bluetooth controlled, so we can immobilize the vehicle on your mobile phone and also alter the advanced curves. So when we rolling road tuned it, you change the advanced curves to suit the engine. It's also got suppressed leads and plugs because it's got the modern stereo in there, and the solid copper leads cause a lot of interference. Everything in here's had a rebuild, of course, carburetors, engine, all the lot, and it's all been bedded in and tuned on our rolling road. Okay, so the interior is looking all gorgeous and pretty much as it would have been originally, with some few alterations. We had to add an indicator stalk here because we couldn't have the controls up the column due to having the electric power steering fitted. It's also been redone in this lovely blue leather colour, and the hood has now got a hood bag that we made ourselves as well. Okay, so now it's time to deliver this beautiful car to its owner. Oh.